Hi, everyone. Welcome to the English Forge. I'm Leo.
Hi there, I'm Clara. And before we start, I have a question for you.
What is it?
When was the last time you really tested your English listening?
That's a good question. Most people don't test themselves. They just study.
Exactly. And that's why they don't improve fast.
But today, everything changes. Today, you're going to test your ears.
We're going to play a game, a listening game.
What kind of game?
I will speak, you will listen, then you will answer.
No writing, no reading, just listening.
This is how you train your brain to understand English naturally.
So, get ready. Put on your headphones, turn up the volume.
And let's begin. Here is your first sentence.
The coffee on the table is too hot to drink.
Is the coffee cold or hot?
Hot. Too hot to drink.
Yes, that was easy, but they get harder.
Much harder.
The key to good listening is catching small words like to, on, to.
Too hot means very hot, not just hot.
Too hot.
Let's try another one. Listen carefully.
She had already left when I arrived.
Who arrived first, she or I?
She left first, then I arrived.
That's past perfect. Had already left means it happened before something else.
Exactly. That's why listening is about understanding time and order.
Let's do another.
I used to live in New York, but now I live in London.
Where does the person live now?
In London.
Yes, used to means it's not true now.
Great job. Let's try a longer one.
If I had known about the traffic, I would have left earlier.
Did the person leave earlier?
No, they didn't know about the traffic.
That's third conditional. Past situation, past result.
You are getting it. Let's do one more for this part.
I've been learning English for 3 years, and I still make mistakes.
Is the person still learning?
Yes, they are still learning.
And that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning.
You just listened to 5 sentences, and you understood them.
That's amazing. You did great.
But we're not done. We have many more.
Let's continue.
I'm listening.
Okay, let's keep the momentum going. You're doing amazing so far.
But now things are going to get a little harder. Are you ready?
I haven't seen him since we graduated from university.
Did they graduate together?
Yes, they did.
And they haven't seen each other since then.
Exactly. Since means from that time until now.
Let's try another one.
The train will have left by the time we get to the station.
Will the train still be there when they arrive?
No, it will have left already.
That's the future perfect. It describes something that will be finished before another time in the future.
That's a tricky one, but you got it.
Let's do something different. I'll give you a longer story. Listen carefully.
When I was a child, I wanted to be a pilot. I loved airplanes and I dreamed of flying. But then I got scared of heights, so I became a teacher instead.
What did the person become?
A teacher.
And why didn't they become a pilot?
Because they got scared of heights.
Great! You understood the whole story.
Now let's talk about something very important, numbers.
Numbers can be very tricky in English.
For example, 15 and 50 sound very similar.
15, 50.
I need $15. I need $50.
That's a big difference.
It is. Let's practice.
The shirt costs $19.
How much does the shirt cost?
$19.
Good. Now listen to this.
The shirt costs $90.
How much does the shirt cost?
$90.
That's a big difference.
Yes, one small sound changes the meaning completely.
Let's try another number.
I have lived here for 16 years.
How long has the person lived there?
16 years.
Good. Now listen to this.
I have lived here for 60 years.
How long has the person lived there?
60 years.
That's a big difference.
Yes, so when you listen, pay attention to the small sounds.
Especially with numbers, they can change everything.
Let's do another story. This one is longer.
Last weekend, I went to the beach with my family. The weather was perfect. We swam in the ocean and built a sandcastle. My daughter found a beautiful shell. We stayed until the sun set. It was the best day of the summer.
What did the daughter find?
A beautiful shell.
When did they leave the beach?
At sunset.
Perfect. You understood all the details.
Now let's talk about questions.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
Are you coming?
Have you finished your homework?
Have you finished?
In questions, the verb comes first. Are you, not you are.
Are you? Have you?
Let's practice with questions.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Is this person asking about the movie?
Yes, they want to know if you liked it.
Good. Now listen to this.
You enjoyed the movie, didn't you?
What is this?
This is a tag question. It means they think you enjoyed it. They're just confirming.
Didn't you?
Yes, tag questions are very common in English.
Let's do some more.
You're coming to the party, aren't you?
What does this mean?
It means they think you are coming, they just want to check.
Great. You're really understanding.
Now let's try fast speech again. This time, it's faster.
I'm gonna go to the store. Want to come with me?
What did I say?
I'm going to go to the store. Do you want to come with me?
Yes. Gonna means going to. Wanna means want to.
This is how real native speakers actually talk, real English.
Let's try another fast one.
What you doing tonight?
What did I say?
What are you doing tonight?
Exactly. Whatcha means what are you?
What you doing?
This is important for real conversations.
Now, let's try something else. Connected speech.
I have to becomes I have to.
I have to.
Did you becomes didya.
Didja.
Let me becomes lemme.
Lemme.
Could you becomes coulda.
Coulda.
You hear these all the time in movies and conversations.
Let's practice.
Did you see the movie?
What did he say?
Did you see the movie?
Yes. Good job.
I have to go now.
What did he say?
I have to go now.
Perfect.
Let me help you with that.
What did he say?
Let me help you with that.
Excellent.
Could you pass me the salt?
What did he say?
Could you pass me the salt?
Perfect. You're getting it.
Now let's do a real conversation. Listen carefully.
Hey, are you free this weekend?
I think so. What's up?
There's a new restaurant opening downtown. I heard the food is amazing.
Oh, really? What kind of food?
It's Italian. They make fresh pasta every day.
That sounds incredible. What time should we go?
How about 7 p.m. on Saturday?
Perfect. I'll make a reservation.
Great. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's been a while since we hung out.
What are the friends planning to do?
They are planning to go to a new Italian restaurant.
What time are they meeting?
At 7 p.m. on Saturday.
Yes, you understood everything.
You're becoming a great listener.
Let's keep going.
I'm listening.
Okay, this is the part where things get really interesting. Let's do some fun listening challenges.
I have a story for you, but listen very carefully. There's a twist at the end.
A man walked into a library and asked the librarian, "Do you have any books about ghosts?" The librarian said, "Yes, we do. They're in the fiction section." The man said, "Great. Can I borrow one?" The librarian replied, "Sure. Just remember to return it. We don't want any ghosts roaming around the library."
What did the man ask for?
Books about ghosts.
What was funny about the librarian's answer?
They joked about not wanting ghosts roaming around the library.
Yes, you understood the joke. That's amazing.
Let's do another one. This is a short conversation.
I can't believe you ate the last piece of cake.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you wanted it.
I was saving it for later.
I'll buy you another one tomorrow, I promise.
Okay, fine, but you owe me.
Why was the person upset?
Because someone ate the last piece of cake.
What did the other person promise?
They promised to buy another one tomorrow.
Perfect. You understood the whole situation.
Now let's talk about understanding feelings through tone.
I'll say the same sentence 3 times with different feelings. Listen carefully.
I'm so excited about the party.
How does the person feel?
Excited.
Good. Now listen to this.
I'm so excited about the party.
How does the person feel now?
They don't seem excited. Maybe they are being sarcastic.
Yes, the same words, completely different meaning.
I'm so excited about the party.
How about now?
They sound sad.
Maybe they can't go.
That's why listening is about more than just words.
Now let's do a longer listening test. This is a real conversation between two friends.
Hey, have you seen the new movie that everyone's talking about?
No, not yet. I've been so busy with work. Is it good?
It's amazing. I highly recommend it. The acting is incredible.
Really? I might watch it this weekend. Who's in it?
It stars that actor from the last big superhero movie.
Oh, I know who you mean. I love his work.
You should definitely see it. You won't regret it.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll let you know what I think.
What did the person recommend?
A new movie.
When will the other person watch it?
This weekend.
Yes, you got all the details.
Let's do another conversation. This one is at a restaurant.
Hi, welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
Just 2, please.
Right this way. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can we have some water, please?
Of course. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a moment.
I'm ready to order.
What would you like?
I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce.
And for you, sir?
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Excellent choices. Would you like anything to drink?
I'll have some water.
And I'll have a glass of white wine.
What did the first person order?
Pasta with tomato sauce.
What did the second person order?
Grilled chicken with vegetables.
Perfect. You understood everything.
Now let's try a news report.
A new study shows that people who exercise regularly have better memory. Scientists recommend at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. The study followed 2,000 people for 5 years. The results were clear. Regular exercise improves brain function.
What does the study show?
That people who exercise have better memory.
How much exercise do scientists recommend?
At least 30 minutes every day.
Yes, you understood a real news report.
Let's do a quiz. I'll say 5 sentences. You just listen.
The meeting is at 2 p.m. in room 301.
I'll call you when I get home.
She can't come to the party because she's sick.
We need to finish this project by Friday.
I've already seen that movie twice.
What time is the meeting?
At 2 p.m.
What room is the meeting in?
Room 301.
Why can't she come to the party?
Because she's sick.
When do they need to finish the project?
By Friday.
How many times has the person seen that movie?
Twice.
Wow, you got all of them right.
That's incredible. Your listening skills are improving so much.
Keep practicing like this and you'll become fluent in no time.
Let's continue with more challenges.
I'm listening.
Okay, this is where it gets really exciting. Let's test your ears with something new.
I'm gonna speak faster now. Much faster. Ready?
I'm going to grab some coffee. You want anything?
What did I just say?
I'm going to get some coffee. Do you want anything?
Yes. Gonna is going to. Wanna is want. You got it.
What you doing later? Want to hang out?
What did I say?
What are you doing later? Do you want to hang out?
Perfect. Whatcha is what are you? Wanna is want to.
I have to finish this report by 5.
What did I say?
I have to finish this report by 5.
Yes. Have is have to. You're catching them all.
Did you eat lunch already?
What did I say?
Did you eat lunch already?
Did ya is did you. You're becoming a native speaker.
Okay, now a full conversation at normal speed. Listen closely.
Hey, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the beach with my friends.
That sounds fun. Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was perfect. We swam and had a barbecue.
I wish I had gone. I stayed home and cleaned my apartment.
Oh no, you should have come with us.
What did the person do on the weekend?
They went to the beach with friends.
What did the other person do?
They stayed home and cleaned their apartment.
Perfect. You understood everything.
Now let's try something even harder. A news report.
This is real English, the kind you hear on TV.
A new study shows that people who exercise regularly have better memory. Scientists recommend at least 30 minutes of exercise every day.
What does the study show?
That people who exercise have better memory.
How much exercise do scientists recommend?
At least 30 minutes every day.
Yes, you understood a real news report.
That's amazing. You can understand real English.
One more story. This one has a twist.
A man walked into a library and asked the librarian, "Do you have any books about ghosts?"
The librarian said, yes, we do. They're in the fiction section. The man said, great, can I borrow one? The librarian replied, sure, just remember to return it. We don't want any ghosts roaming around the library.
What did the man ask for?
Books about ghosts.
What did the librarian say?
That they're in the fiction section.
And what was funny about the librarian's answer?
They joked about not wanting ghosts roaming around the library.
Yes, you understood the joke.
You're doing incredible, seriously.
You have come so far in this episode.
If you understood all of these, you can understand real English.
Keep practicing, keep listening, keep learning.
And remember, listening is the key to speaking.
We're almost done. One more section.
I'm playful.
I'm ready.
Okay, this is the final challenge, the ultimate listening test. Are you ready?
I'm going to speak like a real native speaker. Fast, connected, and natural.
Take a deep breath. You've got this.
I'm going to head out in a sec. You coming or what?
What did I say?
I'm going to leave in a second. Are you coming or not?
Yes. In a sec means in a second. Comin' means coming.
We should probably leave now if we want to beat the traffic.
What did I say?
We should probably leave now if we want to beat the traffic.
Yes. Probably means probably. Wanna means want to.
I kind of feel like staying in tonight, you know?
What did I say?
I kind of feel like staying in tonight, you know?
Yes. Kinda means kind of. Ya know means you know.
You're a native speaker now. You understood all of that.
That was fast, but you got it.
This is how real people talk. Not textbooks, not classrooms, real life.
Now for the final listening test. This is a real conversation between two friends. Listen closely.
Hey, are you free this weekend?
I think so. What's up?
There's a new restaurant opening downtown. I heard the food is amazing.
Oh, really? What kind of food?
It's Italian. They make fresh pasta every day.
That sounds incredible. What time should we go?
How about 7 p.m. on Saturday?
Perfect. I'll make a reservation.
Great. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's been a while since we hung out.
What are the friends planning to do?
They're planning to go to a new Italian restaurant
What time are they meeting?
at 7 p.m. on Saturday.
Yes, you understood everything.
That's a real conversation, and you understood all of it.
You are ready for real English conversations, for real life.
Let's do a quick recap of what we learned today.
First, we learned about fast speech. Gonna, wanna, have-to, didja, kinda.
Gonna, wanna, have to, didja, kinda.
We learned connected speech. Whatcha, probably, in a sec.
Whatcha, probably, in a sec.
We practiced listening for specific information. Times, dates, places.
Times, dates, places.
We practiced understanding opinions and feelings.
Opinions, feelings.
We listened to real conversations and news reports.
Conversations, news reports.
And you did all of it. You passed the test.
That's amazing. You're becoming a great listener.
Remember, listening is a skill. You need to practice every day.
The more you listen, the better you become.
And the better you listen, the better you speak.
So keep practicing, keep listening, keep learning.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the English Forge.
Yes, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode.
And share this with a friend who needs to test their listening.
Sharing is caring.
Thank you for being here with us today.
We really appreciate your time and your trust.
This is Clara,
And this is Leo.
and this has been the English Forge.
Keep learning, keep growing, keep speaking English.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and keep learning.
See you soon.